Hello, my name is Zeke Philpott, and this is my EET 085 Electronic Projects project for the spring semester 2018. What we have here is a 8x4 piece of chipwood to define the boundaries of this project. And what this project is will be this robot, which I will go into more detail with later, will be finding this ping pong ball, which is on a pedestal. This robot is a Parallax Bobot that I purchased on the Parallax website for between $120 and $160. I can't remember exactly off the top of my head. And what I've done is I have added a Parallax ultrasonic ping sensor to the front with some picture hangers, the sawtooth picture hangers. And what I've done also is I've taped some popsicle sticks to the top of this rotor here, and then added a little makeshift basket. And the whole point of this is so that this ultrasonic ping sensor can send out sound waves to find this pedestal here. This is a jar full of clay so that the sensor has the best chance of finding it. It is a cylinder, and as you can see, there is a Sharpie marker on top of it that's holding the ping pong ball. The way this is going to work is that the Bobot here is going to be turned on. I'm going to flip the switch, and then he will go forward and turn his sensor in a 180-degree fashion, sweeping the area while moving. Once he detects the pedestal, he will stop. He will do some math and find the center of the sensor by measuring the left and the right side, and then figuring where the center out is from there. Once he goes forward, he will bump the marker with his basket, and it will cause the ball to fall forward into the basket. Once he has done that, he will turn around 180 degrees, and for the same reason that that pedestal is there, there's another pedestal right here so that he can find his way back home. The clay right here is for counterweight, as this sensor here is too much forward for it to be able to support. So that's what that clay is there for. If we come over here, you will see the code that I programmed the robot with. I do not take full credit for this code, as I did find pieces of it online. I edited it fairly heavily to make it do what I wanted it to do. I will leave links in the description of the programs that I modified to make this program. So without further ado, we will do the project. One more thing I'd like to add was that I forgot to define the boundaries of the home base for the project. So it is a 8-inch by 6-inch rectangle that will be defined as the home base. So as long as the ping pong ball is within this area, then it has done its job. So there's that. And then I just want to point out that this spot here, although it's been in the entire video, was just randomly selected by me before I started recording the video. There's nothing special about the spot. The Bobot should be able to retrieve the ball from any position of this board. So with that being said, we will go ahead and start the experiment.